Okay, so in this subject, I'll take control of your screen now. So
Yeah.
in this subject, we are going to create, we are going to use our survey funnel and hyperlink the max bounty offers in this, okay?
Okay.
So the funnel is opening up. Let's wait for this to open up. The best part is when you would be designing, let's say 60 emails, right?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
For this particular project, let's say, you would develop that practice as well, right?
Right.
You would develop the nature of creating long-term projects. Make sense?
Makes sense.
And understand this that in the survey offers, you would be making money based on the frequency, on how many times you show up in customer inboxes. And let's say if you and secondly, you are setting up a long term value per customer, per subscriber. Let's say if you're acquiring a subscriber for $1 today, right? And if that subscriber can give you back maybe 3 4 5 dollars in the next, let's say, 2 months, it's worth it, right?
It's absolutely worth it.
That's the idea here. The problem is not the systems or the sources. The problem is that people who do digital marketing, they don't have a proper planning. They don't do proper planning. They don't structure things in a manner because they don't know it, right?
Right.
And proper structuring only comes when you are into something um, with 100%, attention and focus.
That's right. 1.60, just calm down.
And there is no such person. I have not seen a single person who was able to get things right from the first time he started doing it. It's not possible. Even when we start learning how to ride a bicycle, there's no such person who was able to ride the bicycle in his first ride, right?
That's right.
So you need to have that failure mindset, that when I do the thing for the first time, I am bound to fail.
Very true.
When you have that mindset, right, you don't get
Mhm.
demotivated. Now usually what happens is people say, okay, I am going to succeed, I'm going to make money, and they start doing something, and when they don't see the results, they simply quit.
Yeah, that's what happens most of the time.
That's correct. But when you do things with proper planning, you are able to create elements, you're able to create different milestones so that you can optimize there, okay?
That's right. I'm done with the tracking. Do you want the control?
Yes. So we are going to go for the single opt-in for the 2.41 survey voices. So we will take this one. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now, yeah, and we're going to copy this link. We
Mm-hmm.
will go to your, now please go to your builder.
This is the page which we
Yep.
are editing.
Yep. Now let's check it once in the mobile version as well.
You have the control. You want me to take the control?
I'm trying to move things up, but they're not moving. Okay. Uh, I need you to bring this opt-in box
Mm-hmm.
at the top by reducing. Uh, let me just do that here. Okay. Okay. I think I can control now. So let's just try to. Take this at the top. Okay. Like this. See, whenever you're creating an opt-in page, right, you need to make sure that the opt-in box is visible in the first fold. Okay.
Okay.
Now you see, as soon as the person, let's say if someone is happens to see this on their cell phone, right, they should see that there's an opt-in box, right? They don't need to
Right.
scroll down, right? So whenever you would be creating pages on your end, make sure that you bring the opt-in form at the top so that it's visible to the eye of your visitors as soon as the page appears on their cell phone, right? Looks much better now.
Yeah,
As soon as
it
someone
looks better.
opens a cell phone, they will be able to see this, get instant access, right? So this is an important step because sometimes people don't like to scroll. What we're going to do next is here. Step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, cool. All looks good. Let's go to desktop view. Now you see in the desktop as well, we have made sure this is visible in the first fold, right? The person
Right.
should not scroll down to see the page, right? So sign up. As soon as someone happens to click here, click here to download your free report. Now, if I just click review, and we need to bring the anchor top. So if I click this button, let's say when the person comes down, he clicks here, right? So we need to bring the anchor. The anchor is right now somewhere here. So we need to bring the anchor at the top. This is the anchor. See that? So I need to bring it a bit more at the top. So when somebody clicks that button, he sees this anchor. He is taken to this section. If I click preview, these are very small things that matter. You see that?
That's
Right?
right.
So you can create that anchor from the tools section here. And it's apps. You see anchor, right? So you can click this anchor. It will, it will appear here. Then you right click it. You give that anchor a name, right? And then you set it as then you set it for the button. Like let's say if I give it a name anchor 2, right? Click confirm, right? And if I click this, so what I've done is right click here, right? And if I click action, I will see, you see, right? Anchor 2,
Right.
right? So I can select where I want the person to go if he clicks that button. Make sense?
Makes sense.
So let's just delete that anchor for now. This is how it works. Builderall is truly amazing. It gives every technology you can think of. Let's delete this anchor. We have one anchor there. Okay, cool. So Looks good. Click save. This is what, Russell Brunson calls this strategy as one funnel away.
Okay.
If you can design one funnel that can get you profitable, right, you will never lose. This is that one single funnel that can get you profitable with Facebook, with the sweepstakes offers. Now, this is where we are going to add our link, the survey link. Now, please go
Right.
to the Excel sheet and paste that link here. Now, there's one thing that I need you to do. Uh, I need you to go to the Maxbounty and copy the link from there because I want to teach you something important here. Go to that offer in Maxbounty. So I think it's survey voices, single opt-in. Now, here I need you to use a sub ID. Okay. So let's say what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down and see, you can select the landing page colors as well. So scroll down, you're going to say the sub ID as TY 18 and OV, right? Bing. Okay. As thank you page 18 November Bing, right? And you would see this at the end of the link here. See that?
Right.
You copy this link. Now, if somebody comes via this, you will be able to see that in the reporting of Maxbounty. Okay. Now go to the, now please click this copy link and paste it in this section. Yep. Awesome. Now let's click OK. Now this link is there now. So signed up, good, good, good. Now understand one important thing. Okay. See, if someone happens to find your ad via Bing, and if they come to this section, they are serious. They're going to read every word here. You're getting my point? It's not like this. Like what happens is when we prepare this stuff, we feel okay. Who the heck is going to read it? Understand? If someone is typing "make money from surveys" and he opts in, he's going to read every word. He's going to click this button, right?
Right.
At least 30% people are going to do that. Okay?
Right.
And some people are going to even click download your free report, right? So don't overcomplicate the stuff by thinking that how is this going to happen. You need to trust the process. It's called TTP formula. Trust the process formula. Okay. Now let's go to the survey report page. Right now, I need you to add all the links here. Right, like now you need to change the names, right? Like this is Opinion City, so you need to change the name from here by checking out the off Excel sheet. Yep. So which offer you want to put? If it's iSurvey World, just change Opinion City to iSurvey World and then add it there, and do that for all the other offers. Okay, so the best way is, uh, you know, uh, to copy it, and let's say you copied it from there, right? Paste it here, right? So that the formatting goes off. You can paste the iSurvey World here, then copy it again from here, then paste it. So it will take the formatting of these same fonts. Just press Control Z. Press Control Z.
It's not taking that.
Okay. Okay. So Okay, so let me take control of the screen. What I'm going to do is I'm going to just copy this Canada thing. I'm going to first remove this. Just going to copy Canada from here. Paste it here, right? Same fonts now. Now I'm going to copy I survey world from there, right? Or let's say I'll just type it. I suggest you just go ahead and type it. That would be better for you.
Yeah.
Okay, now please add the link.
This is I survey world. Freebie.
YFB.
Freebie.
Freebie.
Yeah. This is a freebie document link, right? That's why I thought freebie. You want me to put it as thank you itself?
Report. Just put a report. Put report there. Report. Bing. 2020 Bing. Report November Bing.
Okay.
No. You need to right click the button. Okay, let me take control of the screen. See, the button might be in layers, okay? Because these are different elements. So you need to try to, no. The button is on the layer below this. So what you need to do is you need to right click this to send it back, or maybe to do some right click here. Top. Okay, anyways, so you right click here, right? Just click action, add the link and do that, and then slowly bring that text back to normal. Okay. First add the links for all the offers, then you can edit the text.
What is the next one?
Remember, whenever you're working with page builders, if you feel like this is misbehaving, this element, it's not misbehaving, it's the layers, right?
Okay.
Because if the button is at the second layer, you won't be able to access it until you move the first layer, right?
Got it.
These are some very small things my students, because of that, my students just bang their head on their desk. No.
I'm used to this kind of editing, so now I get a little patient. Initially, even when I was learning things, I had all those issues.
Yeah, that's correct. And these small things can't be discovered on YouTube. You can't find them.
Right.
I suggest you just change. Okay, yeah, just oh, let me know once you're done. Okay, I'm here. I'm just putting myself on
Sure.
mute. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so finally we were able to create the landing page and finalize it.